How to add someone on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can add someone on WhatsApp, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to add someone on WhatsApp, all you have to do is simply open up WhatsApp. Now most likely if you want to add someone, you have to add them to your own contact list first of all. To do that, first of all, just tap the circle icon from the bottom right of the screen, then tap this option called new contact and then tap on it. And you can see it will open the contacts app on your phone, where you can simply enter the name of the person and then also make sure to enter the phone number and then tap the save option. Once you've done that, you can just come back to WhatsApp again, and then over here you can simply search for the specific contact that you might want to actually go ahead and send a message to. If the person has a number or a WhatsApp, you'll most likely be able to text them, but if they do not have WhatsApp, you'll also find the option to invite them to WhatsApp. So that's simply how it works, and this way you can add someone on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.